Hi everybody, it's Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and long time no see. I am so sorry that I've been absent from the channel. I actually got sick, and in the interim we had a very bad time at work, just as far as busyness. So it's just been crazy at work and I was sick. So anyway, I have the December and January box, which was open when I got it, but it looks like I got everything I was supposed to. So I'm going to go through December first. Alright. And this one was jam-packed with stuff that I am looking forward to using. Okay, now, yeah, I'm going to do what I usually do, which is go in the order of the book. And there are quite a few full-size things. This is a face cream, and it is full-size, and it's by Maylis. Let's see, $39 for 100 mLs. That's probably what this is. Yep, 100 mLs, which is basically like a little more than an ounce. I think. Let's see. Oh, it's much bigger than that. It's 3.4 fluid ounces. Yeah, I think 30 is equivalent to a US ounce. Anyway, this is a Beauty Sleep Treatment, 3.4. It says, oh, it's not face cream. It says, skin below the neck drinks up this whipped body cream, which is rich and hydrating, but never heavy. Okay, so this is a body lotion, which I'm good with. Okay, next, and oh, that, by the way, I'm out of practice. This sells for $39 for that size, full size. Okay, next thing is, Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I think I might already own this. If I don't, then I'll use it. If I do own this already, I will give it to my daughter. I know I tried it and liked it. So anyway, this goes, sorry for the but anyway, this is $22 for 0.02 ounces. It feels heavier than that, but it is half an ounce of powder. You know, powders take a while to finish. Okay, and I got two of these things, which are small, so they'll actually get finished with my trial size stuff. And these are Monday Hair Care Moisture Shampoo and Moisture Conditioner. So yeah, I'll enjoy trying these, but they are definitely not full size. These are travel size. Maybe I should keep these in a travel bag or something. Well, I'm not going anywhere. I can always buy travel size stuff if I go somewhere. So anyway, these are 1.69 fluid ounces each. And the full size is 35 mLs, which is about this. This can't be full size. No way. It's a 35 mLs is about an ounce. Let's see if this really is. Yeah, 1.69 fluid. These might be full size. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm telling you, it what it says in the book. But anyway, this is $7.99 each for each of these. Oh, it says 60 ml included in the box. So it's $7.99 for 35 mLs. So we got about $15 each, I guess, for each of those. Okay, and I got something that is definitely going to my daughter because she loves it. Juliet's got a gun. Juliet has a gun. She loves this cologne, and I've been getting it in like every box that I get from anywhere. So anyway, she's gotten quite a few of these. They are small atomizers that are travel size. So definitely easy to finish and definitely going to my daughter. So that will go to my daughter. And there's one other thing in here, obviously full size, $39 for 100 mLs. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you, Juliet has a gun. Normally goes for $150 for 100 mLs. Yeah. Anyway, travel size is good. A Hava purifying mud mask. Not sure how I feel about all the mud masks I have to finish. You guys, if you've watched my mask video, I found more masks after I was done making it. So when I do my first update, I'll be talking to you about the other stuff that I'm adding to it. So this is a good bunch of stuff here. I wasn't thrilled, but I wasn't unhappy. It's hard to say whether, you know, I was not real excited to get this box, but it does have some good things in it. So anyway, let's pack her up and go on to, ouch, January. Yeah, I am a klutz. Just banged my elbow on my desk. Okay, so that was a pretty good, valuable box. And now we'll do January. Oh, man. My January box was wide open. Now, you can see stuff now just because I took the tissue out. And luckily, because everything had a tissue covering on it, nothing fell out of the box. It was not totally torn open like this. It was like partially like not sealed at all. Like it had like these flaps on and no actual folding of the box. So I don't know how that happened or why that happened. But anyway, I did like what I got in this box, if I can recall correctly, because I looked at it when I was sick and then I just put it away for when you and I would be talking. Yeah, it looks like I didn't look at anything in here. All right. I do see the lip cream that I had picked out. We each got to choose a color of the Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream, which of course is Tarte, and I picked the color, what color did I pick? Peachy Pink, I think, is the one. Let's see if they gave me the right color. No, they didn't. They gave me mauve. Oh well. Maybe I picked mauve. I don't know. Anyway, I'm always happy to get lip stuff. I was going to say lip shit. I'm always happy to get lip stuff. And this goes for, it's full size. $26, 0.7 ounces each. These do take a while to finish, so yeah, I'll hold on to that and keep that and enjoy the heck out of it. Alright. Oh, I have so much of this stuff. This is a Grown Alchemist, and it is Hydra Restored Day Cream, so it's a face cream. I have face cream, body cream, I have every kind of Grown Alchemist cream. So for a while it was coming in FabFitFun and all different boxes, and I do like this, but I have a lot of it, so this one will remain unopened until I finish some of the creams that I am putting on the front burner instead. Okay, please don't be a clay mask. Oh, hand serum. Okay. This is Palm. Let me get my thumb out of the way. Palm Renewing Hand Cream. It goes for $42 for 60 mLs. Looks like that's the size we got. Let's see. Yep, 60 mLs. And yeah, I do like hand cream. I do have a lot though. So this will remain sealed until I need to use it. And that leaves 3 things. This is Sephora Collection Super Glow Serum with vitamin C and E. I did not figure out what's cruelty-free and what isn't, but I do know that Sephora brand is not cruelty-free. So those of you cruelty-free beauties out there, Sephora brand products are not cruelty-free. Anyway, smooth on the serum morning and night, like your new one from Grown Alchemist. That's not a serum. That's a day cream. Okay. Well, anyway, this is a trial size, I think. Let's see, we got 8 ml, so it's definitely a travel size. When I went to Florida last, I brought all my travel size stuff, and you'd be amazed how long some of that lasts. Some of it still came home with me. Okay, next thing is Innisfree Daily UV Defense. Now this is definitely a travel size. It's a little tube, and let's see, it's $22 for 60 mLs. 10 mLs were included in the box, so this is nominal value, if anything. Let me show you the tube. Okay. Well, it looks like the tube is really full, so anyway, that'll go pretty quickly. Even in the winter, you guys should be wearing a sunscreen. Just know that, because that's the only protection that your skin has. Okay, and this is Maria Niles True Soft Argan Oil. Let's see, dull, staticky winter hair. It's light moisturizing. Is it a spray? Yes, it is. It's got a, no, it's not. It's got a little nozzle like a serum nozzle. Okay. Let's see. How you use it. Smooth a small amount onto damp hair from mid-length to ends, then style as usual. It is $39 for 100 mLs, and we got a 30 ml. That's not bad. It's $39.99 for a full size, which is 100 mLs, and we got 30 mLs. So, despite the broken box, everything was in there that was included in the booklet. So, despite the broken box, I'm happy. I'm really happy about this. And, you know, I only have a couple months left, and I won't be renewing my subscription. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a whole lot of crap, and you guys have seen me with all of my crap that I have to use up. Let's move this so you can see all of it. Let me go out a little bit. Yeah, so you guys know I have a lot of stuff. And one of my next videos is going to be about some of the stuff I want to use up in 2025, which I think is doable, but I do have to get all the crap I have that is going to be to use up in 2025. Now, since this box is broken, I'm going to see if I can engineer my way into... Nah, never. It's not going to fit. Oh, well. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up does help me. I'm just going to drop this in here. And I believe everybody gets the same stuff, so if you got anything different, let me know. I always like to hear what people get. So anyway, thank you for watching. It's been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up really helps. Thanks, and have a good day. Bye.